Hey everybody, welcome back to Yo Deer Hunters. I'm back at the range today with my 22-250. I have some Fiocchi 55 grain and some Hornady 55 grain. And we're going to check these, see what kind of velocity we're getting, and see what kind of groups we're getting. I'm going to shoot about a couple of 3-shot groups with each one of these and see how they perform. I'll share with you the information that I get shooting this 22-250 Tikka today. The first group today was with the Fiocchi 55 grain. The advertised velocity is 3650. We got an average speed of 3457, so it's about a little over 3450, so that's not too bad. That's about average for factory ammunition. It'll be about a couple hundred feet per second under the advertised velocity on a 22-250. So we're going to try the Hornady and see what kind of group we get, and we're also going to see what the velocity is. So we'll set that up. We'll shoot 3 shots, then we'll go down and we'll check both targets and see how well we did. We're using the Garmin C1 chronograph. This thing is really a great little chronograph. I guess I'll have to do a video about it and tell you all about it, but that's what we're using today. It's doing a great job. Okay, on the velocity on the Hornady the average is 3420. So that's a little bit slower than the Fiocchi. They're shooting the same 55 grain Vmax bullets, but they're close enough where the point of impact is almost the same. So let's go down and check and see what kind of groups we got. Hey, that's pretty darn good. Looks like we got, the Fiocchi. That's around a half to a 3/4 inch group. Also for the Hornady, I don't think you could complain about that for factory ammo. Velocity is a little bit slow. It's not quite as fast as it's supposed to be. This Hornady is supposed to be doing 3680. The Fiocchi 3650. Actually, the Fiocchi is faster than the Hornady. So, I tell you what, it's hard to complain about that, especially with me shooting. Had some young eyes behind that loophole scope, it may be even better. So,